Hello, Tracy.
Hello, Sis Jel. How are you?
I'm doing good. Tracy Morin Perez, Miss World 2021, top 12 finalist, and Miss World Philippines
13.
2021.
Hello, that's
Yes,
me.
yes. I'm so happy to see you. Grabe.
Thank you. I'm so happy to see everyone. It's been a while.
Yes, para tayong pamilya.
Oo, lagi tayo nakikita sa events. I always see you all the time.
Yes, I'm happy. And na-corner kita ngayon.
Totoo.
Anong nararamdaman mo na host ka ngayon ng Mr. World Philippines?
Excited ako, syempre. Pero hindi mawawala ang nervyos. Kasi in anything that I do, may halong nervyos talaga. Kasi it's very important to me. So, I always try to do my best. So, I hope I did it justice.
Grabe, no? Ang galing mo na mag-host eh.
Totoo. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I try.
Sana more hosting pa din.
Yes.
I love the energy habang tinatawag mo sa isa yung mga provinces.
Siyempre, pride of their provinces. We have to give our best while saying the
Yan.
places.
Meron ka bang advice sa mga Mr. World Philippines candidate natin?
Yes, madami akong advice. Charot.
Siguro mga dalawa.
Mga dalawa. Ah, siguro in this leg of the competition, malapit na yung finals eh. So I can only say so much. So they've already done the work. Mga last minute preparations na lang, I guess. So they still have a few challenges left. So they have to ace the head to head and the BWAP. But as I was telling some of our friends also na mga handlers din ng mga candidates, parang aside from preparing for the fast track challenges, they also have to make sure na pulido sila on the finals night because again, magba-back to zero pa din yung scores. So, whatever their look is on the finals, they have to practice it beforehand. They have to practice their Q&A kasi dapat they have to give it their best shot because this is Mr. World Philippines. And as what we've said earlier, we are looking for the most desirable man. Yung mag-represent sa atin for none other than Mr. World itself. So we have to send the best representative there is.
Yan. Hindi ko tatanungin ko sino yung bet mo dito.
Ay!
Ano, mahirap.
Mahirap kasi I know some of them personally, so may bias ako ng very light. But seeing them up close, it's my first time attending Mr. World competition ng mga preliminaries. I've seen the past editions, but never like this, na up close talaga. And I was telling some of the media friends as well that a lot of them look so much better up close than like the cameras don't give them as much justice. Ang gugwapo talaga nila up close, and when they were speaking sa casual interview, ang tatalino nilang lahat. And I love that it's very diverse. It's very well represented. Marami tayong mga taga Mindanao din. And I'm all for it. And they're very proud. Mahalata mo the way they speak that they're very proud of where they came from. And that's very important. That's a huge plus for me.
So kung sana tanongin, sino bang bagay sa akin sa kanila?
Ay! Ano ba ang hinahanap mo muna? Siyempre may qualifications tayo.
Gusto ko yung matangkad.
Ay, matangkad naman silang lahat.
Pwede naman lahat.
Ay, isa-isa lang.
Isa lang.
Uh-uh.
Sige, pag nag-preliminary judging na lang ako.
Will you be there?
Rap challenge pala.
Ay, ano na, it's a secret. Baka naman, guys, candidates, here's our future judge. Mali natin.
Feeling ko, kasi ka ba nag-judge na fast track yung last Miss World?
I always go to the head-to-head challenge in BWAP. Oo. For Miss World ha, for Miss World usually. Mm-mm. So I think they might just invite me again for the same fast track challenges. So secret na lang muna.
Pero going back to you, ayan nga, so, naalala ko ng final slate mo sa Miss World Philippines kasi pandemic kayo noon. At saka yung
Yes!
bago pa madapa ang atisa, nauna ka na.
Oo!
Ganun din.
Nauna na. Hindi na mauulit yun, guys. Hindi siya masaya. Ang sakit. Masakit siya. I still have a scar until now sa legs. Dahil doon.
Grabe sa amin.
Mm.
Ang taas nun.
As in, mahaba yung scar. As in, parang na-cut yung sa leg ko.
Pero at least, no, nag-fight.
Oo. Akala ko talaga noon, oh my gosh, this is the bad side. Am I not gonna win anything tonight? Pero buti na lang, Lord, thank you. At biniyayaan tayo ni Lord.
Pero ayan, I'm happy for you kasi bukod sa paglalakad mo sa bench, na naiwan yung heels mo doon.
Oo nga. You know what? I've been seeing a lot of comments na ito talaga si girl, ang daming eksena sa ano. Guys, hindi ko po sinasadya yun. Why would I do that? Nakakaya kaya. But we don't know the cards we're gonna be dealt with, but we just gonna have to give our best shot. Kahit nakakahiya, habulin ko na lang yung heels kaysa mag-ano, di ba?
Tuloy mo nga doon, te.
Thank you.
Naalala ko tuloy yung
Nahiya talaga ako. Nahiya talaga. It was embarrassing. Sa MOA Arena pa talaga of all places, ha?
Oo, last year. Ay, naalala ko yung kay, sino ba, Candice Wally Powell sa Victoria's Secret. Ganyan din, nasira yung heels ni Bakla. Pero
Diba?
nilakad pa rin yung Bakla.
Professionalism at its finest.
Talaga doon.
Yes. Well, ang layo. Pero she's an icon. She's an icon.
Icon talaga. Icon ka rin naman, din.
Nahulog. Wag na natin i-manifest ang hulog, guys. Naka-move on na tayo.
Kung talaga hindi ko din mamanifest kasi congratulations, Viva Artist ka na bakla.
I know. Thank you, thank you.
Meron bang clue kung anong magiging project mo doon? Pero alam ko hindi to Viva Max.
Ay, hindi talaga. No, that's not me. Ano, I'm signed with Viva Artist Agency. So that's different from Viva Max. And I'm very thankful to ALV for that, for partnering with the Viva Artist Agency as a whole. Kasi he's always wanted me to be an actress. Parang ever since the beginning. Aside from being a pageant queen, they see a potential in me when it comes to acting. I've done a lot of workshops na sa behind the scenes na hindi lang natin napo-post and everything. Kasi pag sumalang ako, hopefully very soon, I wanna show them what I can do aside from hosting, aside from being a pageant queen. So ayoko mapahiya syempre kasi that's an entirely different field. So we have to learn it from the basics, from the scratch. So I'm very excited for this new venture.
Dream role mo, if ever.
Dream role ko actually yung bidang kontrabida. Oo, kasi parang feeling ko mataray yung itsura
Hindi
ko.
ka maapi.
Oo, dapat palaban. Tapos na tayo sa era na yung mga bida, yung sinasampal-sampal lang. Dapat lumaban din tayo ng patas.
Tama,
Di
diba?
ba?
Pero lastly, anong message mo sa aming mga supporters mo?
Yes, to all the supporters, to my supporters, thank you kaayo Jud, sa mga Bisaya. Thank you so much sa walay undang na pag-support na ako ever since. And to all the media friends and partners who have been supporting not just me but Mr. World, Miss World, and all the pageant girls. Pageantry in general wouldn't be here if not for all of you. So I hope na magkita-kita tayo in all of the upcoming events. And I hope na hindi kayo magsawa to support us, to support the right candidates. I think sa tagal na natin sa industry, we know who those people are. So, ayun. So, we support the real ones. So, salamat. Thank you so
Hindi
much.
kami nagkamali talaga pag-support sa iyo.
Thank you. Salamat. Bisaya represent.
Bisaya. Anyway, dagang salamat.
Thank you.
And once again, our Miss World Philippines 2021 and Miss World 2021 Top 12 finalists and beauty head-to-head challenge winner, Tracy Maureen Perez. Kamali ako. And siyempre, good luck. We will see you in the next coming days and events.